Day 3 of my first ever solo trip, and I finally made it to the quieter and greener Coonoor. The day started with tea gardens, dreamy viewpoints, a surprise wine tasting, tea tasting, and even a peaceful forest trek. Coonoor turned out to be so much more than I expected. Smaller crowds, stunning views, and a vibe that instantly makes you slow down. Hello, I am Ritu and good morning from Coonoor. So last evening I came to Coonoor via the toy train from Ooty to Coonoor, which was a very scenic train ride. And then I had dinner and came to my hotel and checked in. Let me give you a room tour. So this is the room that I got. It's a decent room with a balcony and there is the view. We have some seating arrangement at the balcony as well. Here is the cupboard, mirror, and those are my bags. I made the bed just to show the room tour. So let's go outside and show you the view. So here are chairs and so the only thing with the hotel is that it's a bit far from the center. I did try to book a hotel near to the railway station or the bus stop, but most of the hotels were either very pricey or the rooms did not look good online from the pictures. So I decided to go with this one because this one looked really good and had good reviews, and the rates were also somewhat reasonable. The auto that dropped me to this place charged rupees 500. I tried to bargain, but he was not reducing it because they were saying that there is a lot of uphill and downhill while coming to this hotel. So actually the roads were quite steep, at least for an auto. That is the only downside of this hotel, I feel, because it is far from the center, but the location is great, as you can see, and I actually loved the location other than the fact that it is a bit far from the center. So that's about it, and now it's about 10:30 am and I'm going for Coonoor sightseeing. I booked that same auto that dropped me here. He is charging rupees 1200 for the sightseeing and 500 again for picking me up from this place, and he will drop me off at the bus stop because I have a bus at 8:30 to Bangalore from Coonoor bus stop. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Now I'll just go and have my breakfast and head out for the day.
Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own. Something about the path that leads us forever home. We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the feeling in our soul.
So we've reached a tea garden in Coonoor. This is the first stop. This is called the Karanci tea garden. We could not climb much up because there are no proper stairs. There are rocks. I had to climb all the way.
Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Well, I can't believe the world's still turning, 'cause we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise.
What falls is it?
Silver Falls.
Silver Falls. Okay.
We're still miles away from the end of the day, and the wind walks by our side. We'll fly through the rivers and we'll swim through the sky. Nothing can bring us down when it's you and I.
So we have reached Dolphin's nose. There's not much crowd here. That's the Catherine waterfall.
Now that you're
basically from the Dolphin's nose you can see the Catherine waterfall also, and the viewpoint was great. The view was awesome.
On the way I saw eucalyptus tree, right?
Huh?
Eucalyptus tree.
Right.
This type of trees. So in this tree we are manufacturing 3 type of oil.
This we can have.
No, can't have.
for what?
Just want to smell.
Okay.
Neem oil. So neem oil, it will be like a green color. That is used for once a headache, migraine, dry cough, and chest pain clear disease. Dry leaf. So dry leaf oil name is called neem oil. Proper name is eucalyptus. This is used for common cold, cough, fever, headache problem, like this. This type of fruits. So we are manufacturing from the winter time. So root oil. It is used for joint pain, knee pain, back pain, rheumatic pain. So this is time. So in this time, we'll pour 200 liters of water inside. 8 hours we'll boil it. Automatically, the steam will be transferring in this pipe. It's like a kind of a pressure cooker. Steam will be transferring in this pipe. This is the condenser. So in this steam and oil to mix together, it will come in this pipe. So we'll collect this oil, we'll take it in the lab and purify. This is eucalyptus oil.
Okay.
And for your steaming, for these kind of things and all, you can use it.
Nice.
Basically, you can apply through your mouth,
For
forehead,
sinus and all, no?
Yeah, forehead, nose, chest, ears, back. You can apply. Well, if you want to take a shower, if you get any tiredness, pour it in hot water, 2 to 3 drops, and just bath for your body itself. Not for hair. For hair, we are manufacturing chocolate. So the chocolate basic raw material is called cocoa. So these are the cocoa. These are the cocoa fruits. The cocoa fruit would be like that. So the yellow color.
Oh, this one, no?
So from
These are the cocoa fruits.
So we'll grind it as a powder. We'll put it in those grinders. We'll melt it with the degree Celsius. We have lots of varieties of tea taste. You can try and see. There is oil also, ketchup, and also tribal collection spices also.
Spices.
Yes. And finally you can see chocolates.
Acha.
So right here, I'll give you 3 samples.
Acha. Oh, green tea This is what?
Organic green tea. So this
Organic
is
green tea.
Yes. So in organic green tea there are 16 varieties of organic green tea inside it. So should not boil it.
Honey is added.
Yes. Should not boil it. Should not add it in a milk. And should not add sugar in it.
Should not boil it.
No, should not
Then
boil
how
it.
will
So
it
take a
go?
boil hot water. Boil
And
hot
pour
water.
it on.
Pour it in a tumbler. But first put 1 teaspoon of leaf inside. Pour it in pour the boil water. Close for 10 to 15 minutes. The automatic roll leaf will be open. Filter, add honey and lemon. If you boil it means the strength will be gone. And this is masala tea.
Okay.
It will be very hot. So masala tea, it's a flavor tea.
This one we have to boil, right?
This you should have to boil it. Like this kind of spices has been added. So how to prepare this?
Masala is already added in the tea, right? Then we don't have to add anything extra.
No. Anything if you need to add means you should have to add sugar. Tea would be very raw only. Generally you should have to add sugar. Should not add water in this.
Okay. Oh, this is cocoa tea, no? Chocolate flavored.
Yes, cocoa.
This is cocoa powder added, no?
Natural cocoa. The same.
Okay.
Do not boil it. Sorry.
Nice chocolate.
Should have to boil it together. Milk, sugar, tea powder. Together you need to boil it. Same
Tea powder, not leaves.
Same tea powder. You can add it in a milk.
Okay.
Boil it together. After milk getting hot, just add how much quantity if you want to add
Nice.
tea.
Sugar is added, right?
No.
Sugar is not added then?
Everything would be raw. You need to add sugar.
No,
extra.
acha, you have added sugar in this, no?
We added sugar. Externally we added sugar. Internally we can't add sugar in the tea. It doesn't get
It will not
kind of flavor. It's a cardamom. Normal tea. Artificial normal tea.
This all we can have raw also without
Everything is raw.
Without milk we can have it.
Yeah, no. These tea and all you should have to have only in milk.
Only in milk. It's 285.
This is 220.
It will like expiry date
No
is
expiry for tea. Use it in a dry spot. It's good.
because I don't drink that much, so I think this one is black tea. This one orange.
Lemon black tea.
Lemon black tea.
You're a vlogger.
Lemon you have added, right? And this one is this one. It will smell of orange or what? It will not. Normal black tea. Okay, then this one you can give. This one is 180. Small packet you don't have.
I'm really sorry.
Okay, you can give this one. Migraine oil.
This is for eucalyptus oil, the one I showed you, right? The cane one,
You can add in bath water also.
Yes, of course. If you want to use for floor washing also, you can use for floor washing. Just for external purpose, not for internal.
So how will you use this?
Steaming purpose.
And in bath water also you can
bath
add.
water. Be cautious, don't use for hair, only use for your body.
Acha, should not use for hair.
And this is for joint pain, knee pain, back pain, and this is for migraine.
This is the small pack.
This is the 100 ml.
Huh?
I'm an oncologist.
Yes. Okay. So you came for vacation.
It's my hometown. I came for vacation.
Okay. So you'll go back for how many days?
Tomorrow I'm leaving. Tomorrow I'll be back to
Bangalore.
where I belong.
Okay. Nice. Okay, then I'll take this one. This one.
It's kind of a cool city.
Cool city, Bangalore.
I like very much.
Right. Okay, you can give this too. Thank you very much.
Scanner.
Thank you. What's your name, Bhaiya?
Franklin.
Huh?
Franklin.
Franklin. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Hope you have a good journey.
Yeah.
Enjoy the
Coonoor view.
Enjoy.
Coonoor view.
Take care. Have a good journey.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Yeah.
This one 10 years old wine.
Okay.
This one without yeast, without sugar.
फैक्ट्री का नाम ब्लू प्लेन है